rocket zooming high in the sky, speeding past clouds as the birds wave goodbye. Blue is the ocean with splishy splash cheer, where dolphins do flips and shout, "We're here!" Yellow is sunshine that giggles so bright, tickling the daisies with warm, happy light. Green is the meadow where grasshoppers hop, leaping so high they almost can't stop. Orange is sunset painting day into night, blending soft colors that glow oh so right. Purple is twilight, magical and deep, where tiny fireflies twinkle before